If you want to sound like real urban English speakers, not boring textbook English, listen to this conversation. Use these phrases and you'll instantly sound more modern, natural, and confident. Yo, Sarah, what's up? You look all charged today.
Hey, Alex. Nothing much, just vibing,
Vibing. Okay, that's the energy I like.
And you, what's going on with you?
Same old, but I'm trying to level up my English a bit.
Level up. Love that. What kind of English you trying to learn?
Not the boring textbook stuff. I want that real urban flow.
Oh, you want city-style English. Smooth, natural, effortless?
Exactly. I want to sound like people who actually live life, not read grammar books.
Then you're talking to the right person.
So tell me, how do I start sounding urban?
First rule, keep it short and casual. No formal drama.
Like, instead of, how are you, say, what's up?
Yes, or even what you up to.
Okay, that does sound cooler.
And don't be afraid to use vibe words.
Vibe words?
Yeah, like chill, dope, clean, smooth, fire.
Damn, that sounds fun already.
Urban English is always fun.
What about when agreeing with someone?
You can say facts, or true that, or I feel you.
I feel you. Okay, that hits differently.
See, you're catching the flow.
And if I want to say no politely?
Simple. I'm good, or I'll pass, or not really feeling it.
Oof, that sounds very natural.
Natural is the goal.
What about reacting to something surprising?
Say, no way, or you kidding, or that's wild.
That's wild. I like that one.
I knew you'd like it.
And what if someone is annoying me?
Just say, relax, or chill out, or you're doing too much.
That's savage.
Urban English is polite savage.
How do I compliment someone?
Say, you're killing it, or you look clean today, or your vibe is on point.
Your vibe is on point. I'm going to start using that.
Use it. People love it.
And how do I appreciate something?
Say, I respect that, or I'm with you on that, or that's solid.
That's solid.
Very solid.
What if I want to ask someone to wait?
Say, hold up, or give me a sec, or 1 minute.
So quick, short phrases.
Always. Urban people don't waste words.
What about ending a conversation?
Say, catch you later, or hit me up, or talk soon.
Hit me up sounds cool.
It is cool.
I swear all of this sounds so smooth.
It's because urban English is all about flow, not rules.
So just keep it real, keep it short, keep it confident.
Exactly. Keep it real and people will vibe with you.
Thanks, Sarah. You're literally upgrading my whole English style.
Anytime. Now go out there and sound like a city kid.
Bet, I'm on it.
That's the spirit.